I'm in the Nissan Leaf, the first generation, and if you have a low battery in the key fob, you can easily replace it on your own, but there are still some things you should know about. So first of all, you need to take out the metal key from this fob. Here is the plastic lock that you need to catch by your nail, and just take out the metal key first of all. Then put away the metal key, and you have a little cavity here that is designed specifically for a small screwdriver. You can see it now. I really recommend using some soft tissue, something like that, because you see this cavity is already damaged for being opened a lot of times. But you will need some screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. I have this small bit that I will use and insert it here and twist. And when you twist, you open several locks here, and you can then continue opening them one by one till you can open the key. And when you can open this key, be careful to not lose anything. And here is the battery. It's CR2032 or CR2025. They can be both used in this vehicle, so I really use CR2032. They are a little bigger and they will last longer. Usually these batteries last about 1 year, and after that you will need to replace them, because these are the keyless system cars, and these fobs, they send signal all the time, and that's why these batteries, they are drained even if you don't use the key fob. So even the second key fob that lies somewhere in your home will be discharging the battery all the time. So after 1 year you will need to replace the battery, and as you see, it's easy to do if you have a small screwdriver. So after that, after you install the new battery, you just put it all back together carefully. Lock every lock, so everything should click. And don't forget about your metal key to install it back. And now everything should work.